Hello kids, welcome back to our fun learning channel. Today, we're going to learn about something exciting, measurement of weight. Have you ever wondered how we know if something is heavy or light? Let's find out. This is a weighing scale. It helps us compare the weight of objects. Let's take a closer look. The side that goes down is heavy. The side that goes up is light. Look at this example. The side with 2 apples is heavier, so it's going down. The side with 1 apple is lighter, so it goes up. When we compare 2 objects on a scale, the heavier object makes the scale tilt down. The lighter object makes the scale tilt up. It's so simple, right? Now, let's test your skills. If we place a watermelon on one side and a small apple on the other, which one is heavier? We can use it to measure which objects are heavy and which are light. Great job, kids! That's all for today's lesson on measurement of weight. Now, try using a weighing scale at home or in the market and see how it works. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting lessons. See you next time. Bye-bye.